Kitchen is an important part of our daily life and also one of the prime areas in home decoration. Sometimes it becomes typical to manage the space of kitchen. This all results that our dishes, spoons and other utensils scattered here and there. Today we will show you 4 points which you must follow to make your kitchen better. But before starting, we request, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss any video related to home decoration. Now let's begin. Point 1. Manage washing dishes and utensils. Whenever you go to wash dishes and other utensils, you may keep your sink like this. We have something for you to make your washing effective and perfect. You can use this sink drain rack. This is a perfect option which helps you washing all your dishes, spoons and other items without scattering it all around your sink. With help of this, you can wash and can pick all your utensils on this rack to drain the water from your all utensils. You can customize it as per your own requirements. You can search any local vendor or metal fabricator near your area that can make this rack as per your kitchen's sink size. Now let's start. Point 2. Fruits and vegetable storage. Vegetables and fruits are the main essentials of every kitchen. Keeping fruits and vegetables is another big challenge for kitchen masters. Today we will show you 4 different types of products which you can use to manage your fruits and vegetable storage. Number 1. Table baskets. Generally these called fruit baskets, but you can use these to keep both fruits and vegetables. These are very useful for kitchens. Few beautiful options we have shown here. If you want to see more or want to buy these baskets, you can contact us by details mentioned in video description. Now let's see product number 2. Hanging baskets. The hanging baskets are an ideal option for those who have less space to keep fruits and vegetables on their kitchen's table or floor. You can find these baskets in your local market, or second option, you can buy directly from us as well, because we also supply these baskets as per clients' custom kitchen sizes. Now let's see product number 3. Wall baskets and racks. If you not have proper space to keep vegetables and fruits on table, or if you also cannot hang the baskets, then this is an excellent option for you. If you want to buy these wall baskets and racks, or want our advice and guidance as which design will suit your kitchen, then you can contact us freely. Our contact details are mentioned in video description. Now let's see our 4th number product, floor basket racks. If your kitchen is little big, then this is the most useful product for you to keep all your vegetables and fruits in a manner. There are a lot of designs which you can order from us in your custom sizes as per your kitchen. Now let's start the point 3. Dishes and utensil storage. In this point, we will show you 3 important types of products which you can use to make your dishes and utensil storage better. Product number 1. Wall utensil board. Wall utensil board is a good option to keep main utensils hang near your work area, so you can quickly pick from there and rehang on the board after using it. These utensil boards are made of stainless steel, so it may never get rusted and will run lifelong. You can customize these boards as per your kitchen size. You can find your local metal fabricator who can make this board easily for you. Now let's see product number 2, floor shelves. Floor shelves helps you to collect all your kitchen equipments at a single place, which makes your kitchen more clean and beautiful. Many fabricators can make these for you, or you can talk to us for order as well. We suggest to always buy these shelves in stainless steel or mild steel. Avoid wooden shelves as it may get harmed soon due to water and other things, whereas metal shelf will run comparatively very long. Now let's see product number 3, utensils hanger. Ceiling utensils hanger are very trendy these days. You can fix these hangers in the center of your kitchen. It looks great and attractive when someone enters in your kitchen. You can hang and keep many items on these hangers to save your kitchen space. We have few designs which we had shown here. For more you can contact us. Now it's turn for our last point number 4, spices storage. This point is last but not the least. We all know how much important are spices, salts and other related items. At present, many beautiful products are trending which you can use to keep your spices, salts and other items safe at one place. Here are some designs which you can check. If you want to know more or want to place order, you can contact us. Hope you enjoyed this video. Our next topic will be more interesting for you. For any query and questions, feel free to contact us. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to see our next video related to interior and home decoration. Goodbye for now.